If you run Google search ads or Google pay-per-click ads, you've probably noticed that they're getting very, very expensive. Why is that? Well, it all goes back to the basic economics concepts of supply and demand. The more demand there is for something, in other words, the more people want it, the higher the price is. And the less supply of something there is, that is, the less there is to go around, the higher the price. That's exactly what we see going on with pay-per-click ads right now. The supply is limited. There are only a small number of people that are searching for the keywords that you're targeting at any given time, and then the demand is very high because all of your competitors are also competing for the same keywords. And at the same time, everybody knows about Google search ads. Like, everybody's trying to do it. It's super easy. All you have to do is pick a few keywords, write a few lines of text, and voila, your ad is running. So there's like zero barrier to entry. It's super easy to do, and everybody's trying to do it. But what if there is a better way? What if there is a way that you can get the same benefit of Google search ads, which is that you're targeting the highest intent person. You're targeting the person that is literally searching for the thing that you have to offer and putting your message right in front of that person. What if you could do the same thing, but bypass this super competitive field that is Google pay-per-click ads? Well, actually, you can. There's a way to do this that very few companies are taking advantage of, and it is powerful. The way to do it is using YouTube ads. Now, YouTube is owned by Google. It's part of the same ecosystem, so you have the same targeting data. You can target the same people that are searching for those keywords, but instead of showing an ad on Google, you show them an ad next time they're watching YouTube. Very few companies are doing this, so the cost of YouTube ads is a tiny fraction of the cost of Google search ads, and it's actually a more effective ad platform for several reasons. One, you get to target the person as many times as you want. With a Google search ad, you only got one shot. It's when they make the search, then you put your ad in front of them. But with a Google ad, you can keep advertising to the same person that made that same search over and over again until they finally click and they go through your funnel. Also with YouTube ads, you show up in isolation. When somebody types in a keyword in Google and your search ad comes up, well, it comes up next to 3 or 4 other competing ads, plus thousands of Google organic results, most of which are your competitors. So you're basically showing up as a commodity in a market where there's 1,000 competitors. With YouTube ads, you show up alone. While they're watching the ad, you are the only person they're hearing from. There is zero competition there. In addition, because it's a video, you get a much stronger chance to make your case for why they should go with you. Rather than a Google search ad, which is just like 3 lines of text or 4 lines of text, you can't really get much of a sales message across in just a few lines of text. But with a YouTube video, you can go a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And actually, I've found that longer videos tend to perform better because you have all the time in the world to list the reasons that they should do business with you, or talk about your client success stories, or talk about your method and indoctrinate them into your way of doing things. You just can't do that with a 3-line text ad. And then finally, with YouTube ads, you have a lot more targeting options than you do with Google search ads. Google search is just the keyword that they search. That's it. And you get that one opportunity to put your ad in front of them. Whereas with YouTube ad, you can target people based on what they search, but you can also target people based on what videos they've watched on YouTube, what emails they're reading in Gmail, what websites they're visiting in their Google Chrome browser. So you can literally put your ads in front of the people that have been visiting your competitors' websites. And that's only a fraction of the targeting capabilities that you have with YouTube ads. Now, I've been running YouTube ads for years. I've spent more than $250,000 of my own money on YouTube ads alone, and a heck of a lot more that I've done for my clients. So if you would like to explore potentially running YouTube ads for your business, what I do is I write your ads, I create your ad videos, I do all the setup and all the management for my clients. If you would like to have a discussion with me about having me do that for you, I'll put a link to apply in the description. Obviously, my time is limited, so I don't work with everybody, but if that's something you'd like to explore, go ahead and apply below. Or if you'd like to explore some of the other targeting possibilities, how you can target exactly your ideal client using YouTube ads, I made a video right here where I show you some examples and actually walk you through exactly how to do it. So check out that video next. If you found this one helpful, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.